I think it's why you always want to come back to reunions, because the type of people who work for AppalReD, pretty uniformly people who believe in social justice, and their motivation is not to make money, because you obviously don't make a lot of money if you're a lawyer or a paralegal for AppalReD or a member of the support staff either. So I guess there's a lot of like-minded people who you know, are really doing the type of work that mostly goes unnoticed. Now the type of work I did got more attention because, you know, coal mine safety was it's a type of issue that grabs headlines sometimes. Mm-hmm. Whereas if you're representing people in a landlord-tenant dispute or, you know, a consumer fraud case, those aren't the types of cases that generate headlines. But it's lawyers who need to do that day-to-day litigation for people who never could afford an attorney otherwise. There's so many cases in eastern Kentucky and everywhere where there's poor people where ordinary citizens get sued and don't have the means to even file an answer, to answer the lawsuit or the complaint, even if they have a meritorious defense. And so you get default judgments. You know, you get a judgment against the person in whatever type of case. It could be a consumer case. And AppalReD lawyers really stand in the way of that. And I know a lot of private attorneys get very frustrated because they're used to, you know, just filing these cases. They know it's against somebody with no means, that they're going to get a judgment automatically. And then an AppalReD lawyer will file an answer. And generally AppalReD lawyers are good lawyers. And they're always in for a tough fight, you know. So AppalReD lawyers are doing a service that most lawyers don't want to do. And it's not financially rewarding, but it's certainly rewarding in other senses. You know.